In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva newsletters in Mailchimp. This handy integration allows you to create beautiful email designs in Canva and easily incorporate them into your Mailchimp campaigns, making your email marketing both efficient and visually striking. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to start by creating your newsletter design in Canva. So log into your Canva account. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an intuitive online design tool that offers a wide array of templates. You can start by selecting an email newsletter template that suits your needs, or if you're feeling a bit more creative, you can design something entirely from scratch. Customize it with your brand's colors, fonts, images, and any other graphics that will make your newsletter pop. Spend some time fine-tuning each element to ensure it truly reflects your brand's personality and message. With your design ready to go, let's move on to connecting Canva to Mailchimp. For this, open your Mailchimp account and navigate to the integration section found under Discover Integrations. You're going to search for Canva there, and once you find it, click on Connect. A prompt will guide you to sign in to your Canva account. Make sure you authorize the connection between the two platforms, as this step is crucial for seamless design sharing. Now that we have the two platforms talking to each other, it's time to export your Canva design to Mailchimp. Head back over to Canva and open up that newsletter design you just created. Look for the share button, and from the options that appear, select Mailchimp. Choose the audience or list you want the design to sync with. This step ensures your content is aligned with the correct recipients, and then export your design directly to Mailchimp's Content Studio, where it will be safely stored and conveniently accessible. With your design in Mailchimp, it's time to use it in your email campaigns. In Mailchimp, go ahead and create a new email campaign. When you get to the step where you design your email, open the Content Studio. Here, you'll see a tab dedicated to your Canva designs. Simply drag and drop your freshly synced newsletter design into the email template. This integration makes incorporating your Canva design into a Mailchimp email as simple as drag and drop. Lastly, it's time to customize and send your email. Within Mailchimp's editor, you can add any additional text or content that complements your design. It's always a good idea to preview and test your email to ensure everything looks just as you intended on different devices. Once you're satisfied with how your newsletter looks, you can either send it out immediately or schedule it for later. And there you have it. This integration streamlines the design process, allowing you to harness the creative power of Canva and the robust marketing capabilities of Mailchimp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.